Hey guys, welcome to question MM260 of the Maths Methods Fortify study guide. So in this question we see the question, consider the region bounded by the x-axis, the y-axis, the line with y equals 2, and the curve with equation y equals 3 log e of x. So this takes a little bit of kind of visualization of what's going on here. But what we know is it's bound by the x-axis, the y-axis, the y equals 2 line, and that curve. So we can see that it's kind of this space in between here. The only problem with this is that it's above the curve, right? And we don't like that. So what I'm actually going to do, and there's multiple ways to do this, you can check out the worked solutions for 2 different ways, but I'm actually going to take option 1 and do it the way that I would actually do it in an exam. So for anything that has an area above the graph, I always find the inverse of that, and then it becomes under the graph. And I'll show you what I mean by that. So we know that y is equal to 3 log e of x. So to find the inverse, we swap x and y, and then solve for y. So we get x is equal to 3 log e of y, x over 3 equals log e of y, and then rearranging this, we get y equals e to the power of x on 3. So y equals e to the power of x on 3 is our inverse, and our inverse, like that, looks something like this, right? And our area now switches from 0 to 2 on the y to 0 to 2 on the x. So we get 2 like this here. So you can kind of see that they're reflected over the y equals x axis, reflected like that, and now this is a lot easier to evaluate than this, right? Because here we've got area under a graph. So at this point, we know that our area is equal to the integral from 0 to 2 of f of x, or in this case, e to the power of x on 3 dx. Plugging this straight into our calculator, we actually get an area of 3e to the power of 2 over 3 minus 3, which is our answer D. So D is our final answer in this question, guys. If you have any questions, please hit me up in the comments below. But other than that, I'll see you in the next video.